My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Volkswagen Golf R-Line. This vehicle has done just over 29,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we can see features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, we can get quick access to navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, vehicle status, radio, Bluetooth, phone, and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors, we also have the choice of 4 different driving modes. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.